Hello students, welcome to another mathematics class. Subscribe to the channel at Sir Ugo Educational when you're on your YouTube in order to get updates on all the classes and then to be able to follow the assignments. Okay, we are continuing from where we stopped in the previous class in mathematics, still on indices. Now we have some problems on the board that we want to look at. We want to use indices to evaluate 3 raised to the power 2n plus 5 times 3 raised to the power minus 5 minus 2n times 3 raised to the power 4. And the second one we have 27 over 8 all raised to the power minus 2 over 3. So we take them one by one. We take number 1, 3 raised to the power 2n plus 5 times 3 raised to the power minus 5 minus 2n times 3 raised to the power 4. We recall the law of indices. Then it was only 2, but I extended it to 3 here because we have 1, 2, 3. And so it can continue even if it's 4. You keep extending. The law still holds. So this is our x, 3 is our x, y the power a is this is the power b, and this is the power c. So if we follow this law now, in order to make it look like this, we will have 3 raised to power, our a is 2m plus 5, then plus our b is minus 5 minus 2n, plus our c is 4. So this is what we will have. And then we open this bracket, being that this is plus and multiplying things that have minus. Minus will always dominate plus. So we will have 3 raised to power 2m plus 5 minus 5 minus 2n, because plus times minus is minus and plus times minus is also minus. Then plus 4. Okay, we now try to collect like terms, and that's going to give us 3 raised to power. We bring the n's together. That means 2n minus 2n. Ensure that you retain the sign since it's not crossing equality sign. So this will now be plus 5 minus 5 plus 4. So see this 2n, see this minus 2n, 2 of them, 5 and minus 5, and then 4. So we now have 3 raised to power 2n minus 2n is 0. 5 minus 5 is another 0, so plus 0. And then plus 4, that's what we have. So our final answer will be 3 raised to power 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. So we have 3 raised to power 4. And what does 3 raised to power 4 mean? It means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is multiplying 3 into 4 places. And that's going to give you, this is 9 and this is 9. And it means 9 times 9, which is what? 81. So that's the answer to the first one. We go to the second one, which is 27 over 8 all raised to power minus 2 over 3. So here we recall the law of indices that says 1 over x raised to power a is equal to x raised to power minus a. Okay, you see that this is in this form now, where our x is 27 over 8 and our power a is minus 2 over 3. So in that case now, we can return from here to here by simply saying that this will be 1 all over 27 over 8 raised to power 2 over 3. So we have returned from here to here. Okay, so the next thing to do is to raise this to the power of this denominator. Whenever fraction is a power, then check very well. There must be number that will be raised to the power of the denominator of that fraction to give you the number you have. So this will give us 1 all over 27 is 3 raised to power 3. That's 3 times 3 times 3 will give you 27. And 8 is also 2 raised to power 3. 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8. Then then all raised to power 2 over 3. Now the numerator here and the denominator here, they are all raised to power 3. So there is no harm in writing 1 all over 3 over 2 raised to power 3, then all raised to power 3. That's to show that these 3 and these 2, both of them are raised to power 3. I just factored their power out here. Okay, having done that, then this reminds us of the law that says x raised to power a, all raised to power. Okay, so having factored out the power, we have the power here factored out, and the outside power still remains 2 over 3. Okay, so we now recall the law that says x raised to power a, all raised to power b is equal to x raised to power a times b. So our x is 3 over 2, our power a here is 3, and our power b is 2 over 3. So we can proceed with that. We now have 1 all over 3 over 2, that's our x. Then raised to power, our a is what? 3 times our b is what? 2 over 3. Then this becomes over 1 so that we can cancel this and this. So what we have now is 1 all over 3 raised to power 3 over 2 raised to power 2, being that this has cancelled this, so it's remaining only power 2 here, and then which will give us 1 all over 3 raised to power 2 is 9, that means 3 times 3, all over 2 raised to power 2 is 4, that means 2 times 2. Okay, so we are now having, let's see like this, we now have 1 divided by 9 over 4. That's what we have, because the denominator here is 9 over 4 and the numerator is 1. So changing divide to times, we will have 1 times, we turn the fraction at the right hand side upside down. Whenever divide changes to times, the fraction at the right hand side is turned upside down, and that will be 4 over 9. And this becomes 1 over 1, and then we multiply out. 1 times 4 is what? 4. And 1 times 9 is what? 9. So our final answer is 4 over 9. Okay, that's what we will do for now, and then I will give you the assignment that you will do. Okay, having concluded the solvings, I have an assignment for you. Evaluate number 1, 2 raised to power 8 minus n times 2 raised to power n minus 8 times 2 raised to power 5. Number 2, 81 over 16 all raised to power minus 3 over 4. So do your assignment, drop your answer in the comment section, subscribe to the channel at Sir Ugo Educational. When you are on your YouTube, you will see the subscription button. Just hit the subscription button. Thank you. See you in another mathematics.